Shoulder, measure curving slightly on the nape from the outer edge from the one shoulder to the other. So this is the shoulder. Okay, shoulder is 12. Okay, next. Blouse length. Blouse length, measure from the base of the neck down to the desired length of the blouse. So this is the desired length of the blouse, 80. Base of the neck down to the desired length of the blouse. So the measure is 80. Back figure, measure from the base of the neck, passing over the shoulder blade down to the waistline level. So this is the back figure. Back figure is 14. Okay, next, front figure. Front figure, measure from the base of the neck, passing over the bust down to the waistline level. So the waistline level is 16. So this is the front figure, 16. Next, bust point height or the apex height, measure from the base of the neck, always base of the neck, down to the highest point of the bust. Highest point of the bust, 8. Highest point of the bust is 8. Okay, done. Next, bust point width, measure across from the tip of the left bust point to the tip of the right bust point. So this is the bust point width. Okay. Next, bust. Bust is wrap the tape around the back and forward to the fullest part of the bust. So this is the bust 29. Bust 29. Okay. Next, waist. Waist measurement, wrap the tape around the narrowest part of the torso. Make sure your client does not hold her breath during the process. Okay, so 26. Okay, next, hips. Hips measure around the widest part of the hips. Do this with the feet close together. So the hips, measure around the widest part of the hips. Do this with the feet close together. So hips, 32. Next, sleeve length. Sleeve length, measure from the tip of the shoulder down to the desired length. So this is sleeve length, 7.5. Okay, arm girth. Measure around the fullest part of the arm where the sleeve length is located. So this is the arm girth. 10. Next, armhole. Measure this one. Armhole. This is the armhole. Okay?